Hi, I currently teach operating system in Ivy League, and I'm a professor for the beta testings, and I do a lot of research on technology that I will not be disclosing in this a little note here today. I just wanted to answer all the questions. Why do things exist, and why do things the way they are, and why do stars look different even if they have the exact same mass? What creates these quantum levels and quantum mechanics in the universe? Why does God change things? Why did God or God why did God make things that is not at the equals statues or statute? Why are things different? Why do universe exist? Why do creations the way they are? And To answer that question, I would like to use this plastic bag here, plastic bag as a space itself of the all the universe in this um, plastic wrap. And I like to demonstrate a black hole as a poking of here. And I poked here. I poked here like that to 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 change that to mimic it as a black hole. And we noticed that it made a flex on the other side. It made it to bend. It made it to stretch. It made it to change the space. It made it to uh, rip off in some of the uh, small areas here just by this one little black hole. And that's how the universe is like. It changes, it creates, and the compounds compositions becomes different, becomes distorted, becomes stirred, and change the way they are. And unfortunately, this is a plastic bag, so it's a 2D, not 3D, but we can tell and explain how the 4D or 5D, 6D, 2D would look by this one black hole, because they are no longer equal and constant and equal at every plane. And this answered my question to the universe and singularities that they are into James Webb Telescope. This answered all of the questions, curiosities I had, because it randomized, it created quantum mechanics, it created changes that wasn't there by this one black hole, and that was demonstration. And interesting thing is, if I put a second black hole here, like that, right, like that, this black hole flexes and disappears. Notice that I poked the second black hole, and that's because this black hole destroyed this first black hole that I poked in the first place. I hope that makes sense. And this goes on and on and on. It's sort of like tug of war in space. It's sort of like this: who has this better thing? And now the Guy's rule is something I will put into quantum mechanics here for now. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This answered all of my questions I had about the universe and the NASA, and I appreciate for all your hard works. I appreciate for all you guys out there. And I really don't have any questions to ask myself. Why did God create things? Because this answer all of it. Because it creates dynamics that wasn't there in the other areas with the first black hole. Needed different compounds, results, different outcomes. Even if they had the exact same mass, the exact same compounds, atom by atom, it was different because the stir and mixture and the ripples were in the space were bent and flexed and stretched and ripped off by this first black hole.